Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you log into Zara app. In order to log into your Zara app, you want to first of all make sure to install. Head over to your respective app store, type in Zara on the search bar and open the app once the application is completely installed. Now here, what you want to do is, this is how the interface is going to look like. At the bottom right, you have these account section and it will directly take you to a web page. So here, what you want to do is you could either go ahead and continue with your Google, or if you've used your email, you want to simply type in your email address associated with your Zara account and a password as well. Since I've used Google, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap continue with Google and select the account. And this way, you're supposed to log into your Zara. So that is how you will be able to log in. With that being said, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.